Hello and welcome YouTube. Um, Today we're gonna do unboxing Nokia 3310 3G was released in October last year 2017. So this phone was released by Nokia on October 2017. So this one is the new 33 thin. I've been using the 3310 2001. That was the old version. So let's do unboxing and see what's inside the box. Okay, it just arrived now by Amazon, and very much it's available on Amazon and Best Buy, but I just got this guy from Amazon. Okay, so just bear with me a second. It's very sticky. All right, there we go. Okay, perfect. So let's get started here. Okay. Okay, sorry. I'm just using one hand and I'm holding the camera on my other hand. All right, so okay, wow. Let's see. Wow, that's cool. It's not that heavy. It's not like the old version. The old version 3310 was a little bit heavy. So this one is very light. Okay, let's get this guy here and see what else inside the box. Okay. Okay, let's get this out here. Okay, so the box comes with micro USB charger, has a Nokia logo here, so, and also, oh, comes with a headset. Okay, looks cool. So headsets with microphone. Okay, and comes with the battery, and the battery is a 1200 milliamp hour, so it's very much small battery, but I think it's more enough for this phone, because this is not gonna be considered a smartphone. I can't tell exactly. It's very much like any other regular phone. It comes with a quick guide, so very much we have all this in the box. So let's open this guy. Okay. All right, here we go. Okay, so this version, it's a single SIM card. Some phones, or actually some of people, they are talking about version comes with the two SIM cards, but I'm sure this guy, it comes with only one SIM card and one micro SD card. So the phone looks good. Yeah, let's get the battery inside. Okay, let's see it. So this is the battery side. There we go. Okay. Yeah, that's very much what I have. It's just a quick video for unboxing Nokia 3310 3G version. So guys, stay tuned. We will have another video for another product. Please subscribe to my channel and thumbs up. Let me know if you have any question. I will reply to you guys. Thanks for watching and thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.